Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use my project for ElasticSearch, the front end portion. So you're first going to go to this GitHub link right here and you're going to clone it. So copy this and let's open up a terminal. We'll make a directory, we'll call it ESTest. And we'll go into ESTest and then do git clone. Alright, and then we should have this in there. Go into ElasticSearch front end. Alright, and then do npm install. And this should take about 20 seconds. Alright, after that is done, do npm run dev. And make sure your ElasticSearch is on as well. And now it's going to load. And we're going to do a tester5@gmail.com. And there you go. That is how you get started with it.